Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious bean stew with oil. First, let's prepare our beans. Begin by sorting through 1 pound of dried beans to remove any debris, then rinse them well under cold water. Next, place the cleaned beans in a large bowl and cover them with plenty of water. Allow them to soak overnight or for a minimum of 8 hours. This crucial step helps to significantly shorten the cooking time and makes the beans easier to digest. Now, let's build the flavorful base for our stew. Grab a large, heavy-bottomed pot and heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add 1 finely chopped onion to the pot. Sauté the onion, stirring occasionally until it becomes soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 to 6 minutes. Then, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute more until fragrant. With our aromatics ready, it's time to add the beans and liquid. First, drain and thoroughly rinse your soaked beans. Add them to the pot with the sautéed vegetables. Next, pour in 6 cups of vegetable broth or water, ensuring the beans are fully submerged. Bring the mixture to a rolling boil over high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer gently for 1 to 2 hours, or until the beans are tender. As your bean stew finishes cooking, it's time for the final touches. Stir in 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. This is also a great moment to add any additional herbs you enjoy, such as a bay leaf or a few sprigs of fresh thyme, for extra depth of flavor. Allow the stew to simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes to let the flavors meld. Serve your hearty bean stew warm, perhaps with some crusty bread for dipping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.